Welcome to Education Hub.
A is for apple.
A is for apple.
B is for ball.
B is for ball.
C is for cat.
C is for cat.
D is for dog.
D is for dog.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
F is for fish.
F is for fish.
G is for goat.
G is for goat.
H is for horse.
H is for horse.
I is for igloo.
I is for igloo.
J is for jug.
J is for jug.
K is for kite.
K is for kite.
L is for lion.
L is for lion.
M is for monkey.
M is for monkey. N
is for nest.
N is for nest.
O is for owl.
O is for owl.
P is for parrot.
P is for parrot.
Q is for queen.
Q is for queen.
R is for rose.
R is for rose.
S is for sun.
S is for sun.
T is for train.
T is for train.
U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
V is for violin.
V is for violin.
W. W is for watch.
W. W is for watch.
X. X is for xylophone.
X. X is for xylophone.
Y. Y is for yak.
Y. Y is for yak.
Z. Z is for zebra.
Z. Z is for zebra.